In this video, I'm going to introduce a concept called the net present value, or short is NPV. NPV is one of the very important financial functions built in Excel. The NPV function has two arguments. The first one is interest rate. The second one is the cash flow over time. So let's look at two examples here. There are two projects, and then the cash flow is recorded. For project 1, the first year need to cash flow out $400, and for year 2 to year 7, there will be inflow of cash. And for project 2, outflow cash in year 1 is $200, and then there will be positive cash flows for year 2 and year 7. The question is, if you have limited amount of capital to invest in the projects and you can only select one, which project should you select? Well, that really depending on the interest rate. You're going to discount the future cash flow. So the philosophy for selecting criteria is time is money. A bird in hand now is worth more than 2 birds in the future. So here, the criteria really depending on the interest rate. Suppose interest rate is 20%. That means you are less patient. You wanted the money much sooner. So therefore, the future cash flow will worth less now. So with that, we can calculate the net present value of these two projects. So we can tell that the net present value at interest rate 20%, you should select project 2. Similarly, if the interest rate is very, very low currently, or you are willing to wait for the future reward, then the interest rate will be lower. Let's suppose interest rate is only 1%. And similarly, you can use net present value function in Excel to calculate the two projects. So if the interest rate is only 1%, project 1 has higher NPV. Therefore, you should invest in project 1, not project 2.